Do you need an umbrella insurance policy on your auto coverage in Florida? The short answer is it determines on how much assets you have. If you are a high net worth individual, it's probably a smart idea to have umbrella coverage. Remember, insurance coverage is only going to protect you up to the limits of that coverage. So if you do cause a crash, and heaven forbid the other person is very seriously injured or even killed, the amount of their damages may exceed the amount of coverage you have. Now, most of the time, attorneys will end up accepting your coverage limits, but that's not an absolute, and they certainly have a right to turn down those limits and pursue a higher amount directly against you. The question of whether they will do that usually turns on whether or not the attorneys think they'd be able to collect an excess judgment from you. So if you own a lot of real estate, multiple vehicles, if you have a lot of assets, that means you are exposing those assets to a potential claim. So I certainly would encourage you to talk with your insurance adjusters, discuss what coverage limits make sense for you. Usually you can get pretty high bodily injury coverage limits directly with your car insurance that would protect you and your family from any exposure. But if you really think that you might have a special need because of your assets, go ahead and discuss umbrella coverage. It's usually not that much more expensive than traditional auto coverage anyway. Call us at 1-800-TRIAL-PRO or chat with us at trialpro.com.